students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our second chapter, that is the fraction. In the previous video already we have studied that multiplication of fractions like whole number with a fraction, fraction with another fraction already we have studied in the previous video. But students, today we are going to continue about that division of fraction. Friends, you know that division of the fractions, while we are doing that division of the fraction, first of all one thing you have to remember that whenever we are dividing that fraction number, that it will be reciprocal and you have to multiply. Only one condition if you remember, then easily you can multiply the, we can do the division. So let us start that how we are doing the division of the two fractions. Okay, so let us see. Friends, look at here, first condition, division of the fraction, case 1. डिवीजन ऑफ ए होल नंबर बाय ए फ्रैक्शन. फर्स्ट ऑफ हम डिवाइड करना है एक होल नंबर से एक फ्रैक्शन को. सो हाउ वी डिवाइड ए होल नंबर विद ए फ्रैक्शन? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल दैट इज फर्स्ट कंडीशन. सो लुक एट हियर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई रिटन दैट वन एग्जांपल. 6 is a whole number divided with one fraction. So what I have to do? Already I have told the reciprocal of 1 by 3. What is that? Who can say what is the reciprocal of 1 by 3? The reciprocal means 1 by that number. So it is your fractional number. So remember that friends, any fractional number reciprocal whenever you are finding, at that time you just change it numerator as a denominator, denominator as a numerator. Did you understand friends? Whenever you are finding any fractions reciprocal or reciprocal of any fraction, then just you change the numerator as a denominator, denominator as a numerator. So first of all you first find out that reciprocal of 1 by 3. 1 by 3 if you change 3 by 1. So what you have to do? 6 and this sign also change division with the multiplication and then 3 by 1 is equal to 3 by 1 matlab 3. So 6 3 is 18. So this is our answer. Same like friends, if you go for that second, you can understand that same. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 5? Now 5, because 5 by 1 is equal to 5. So that it will be changed. So and reciprocal you should multiply with the whole number. 20 into 5 by 1 is equal to 100. So this is answer. Okay. Now case 2, see students. Division of a fraction by a whole number. Now this is reverse. That means alternative. That means first we have divided one whole number with one fraction. Now we are dividing one fraction with one whole number. So what will get? Same thing students. So 4 by 5. By means divide, divided by 2 is equal to what will get? Students, observe that this, but the denominator of this, the denominator is 1. So what we can do? 4 by 5 division 2 by 1. So what is the reciprocal of this? First of all you should find out the reciprocal of the divisor. So is equal to, we can write here 4 by 5 into its reciprocal, which it will change this fraction numerator as a denominator. So what will get answer? 4 1 is 4, 5 2 is 10. So this is our answer. Okay. Same like students we can do B. What is that? That's 10 by 4. 10 by 4 and if we do this one, denominator is 1, so we can write 8 by 1 is equal to, this reciprocal is 1 by 8 because the numerator will change as a denominator, denominator as a change as a numerator. So what we can write? 10 by 4, and whenever we are dividing that we are reciprocal doing, then you have to multiply. The sign will change, division change to into, and we can write 1 by 8 and you have to multiply as usual. 10 1 is 10 by 4 8 is 32. If you want to, you can make it simplest form also. Okay. So now look at the students, division of a fraction by another fraction. The case 3. So this is first case what we have studied. First cases we have studied that division of a whole number by a fraction. Second case we have studied division of a fraction by a whole number. Okay. Now we are studying division of a fraction by another fraction. So what is that numerator? So now answer I will write students. So look at here students. 3 by 4 by 1 by 4. So we can write 3 by 4 division 1 by 4. If you want, what is that? What did I say? I told you whenever a divisor we are dividing, that divisor will be changed. Numerator as a denominator and a denominator as a numerator. That means it is reciprocal. So by multiplying with the reciprocal. That means 3 by 4 into this 1 by 4. What is the reciprocal? That it will become changed 4 by 1 and multiply that as usual. 3 4 are 12 by 4. If you want to simplify, then you will get that 3. Okay. Now second case, second example, friends, you can understand. We can write it 6 by 8. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? 4 by 3. So we can write 4 by 3 is equal to, if we multiply 6 4 is 24 by 8 3 is how much? 24. Yes? Okay. 6 4 is 24 and 8 3 is 24. 24 by 24 is equal to 1. So students, remember the students, this value also 1, because if we divide, simplify, same number will come 3 by 4 only. So these are the three cases, students, whenever we are doing the division of the fractions. First of all, case 1, I told you division of a whole number by a fraction. Second case, division of a fraction by a whole number. And in case 3, we have divided a fraction with another fraction. Okay. Now students will go for that exercise part. Now already you have understand the part that how to do division. Division is nothing but multiplication of reciprocal. Okay. You have to multiply with the reciprocal of the divisor. So now we will see, we will discuss about that some exercise part 2.4 and some bits I have written, and other remain every question bits you have to do. So now first question is, students, find the reciprocal of 7 by 3. Who can say what is that reciprocal? Reciprocal of 7 by 3 is that you have to change it. That actually the answer is 1 by 7 by 3. That actual answer, whenever reciprocal you are doing, that answer is 7 by 3. But whenever it will answer, you have to simplify, then you will get 3 by 7. So shortly you can say, what is that? The numerator will change as a denominator, denominator will change as a numerator. So answer of A is equal to how much? That 3 by 7. And what is the answer of B? What is the reciprocal of 3 by 5? Now that it will change 5 by 3. Okay. Now look at the students. Second question. Find that you are given that one division. That is on whole number with one fraction. That means case 1. Same question, students. You can do solve yourself. I am just helping you first question. Division 3 by 4 is equal to 18 into this reciprocal if you do 4 by 3. Okay. If you can cut, otherwise you multiply 18 4 just 72 by 3, or if you cut that simplify it will do, but you get 3 2 ja 6 1 12 3 4 ja. So answer is 24. Okay. Same like students, we can do this. Second one also, students, we can do 25 divided 2 whole 1 by 7. That means 25 division first make it, if it is there mixed fraction, then convert it into improper fraction. So how do you get 2 7 is 14 plus 1 15 by 7 is equal to 25 into, we'll change it 7 by 15. Okay. If so, what is that answer will get? The answer will get 25 7 ja 175 by 15. If you 5 if you cut that 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 5 3 ja. So 32 by 5 is our answer. Okay, friends. Now look at that question number 3rd. Okay, what is that? We will get answer. Divide 3 whole 1 by 4 by 2 by 3. One fraction with another one fraction. So case 3rd this is. So look at the solution. 3 whole 1 by 4 divide 2 by 3 is equal to, if we multiply, what will get? First improper fraction, sorry, mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. So what you have to do? 3 4 ja 12 plus 1 13 by 4 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to 13 by 4 into, this will change reciprocal, 3 by 2 is equal to 13 3 ja 39 by 8. This is our answer. Okay. Same like friends, you can do this. 100 divided by 10 by 3 is equal to 100 into, it will change in reciprocal. This one divisor will change reciprocal, 3 by 10. Okay, 300 by 10 is equal to 30. This is our answer. Okay. Now students, I have written that on question number 5 on what problems you should see that question, read it properly, then after try to solve it. Now look at what is that. Now question is, by what number should this be multiplied to get this? हमें कौन सा नंबर पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे उसको तो आंसर इसको मिलेगा. तो मतलब हमें we can take that x. Suppose let the number be x. So according to the question का हिसाब से क्या हो ना 4 3/4 into x is equal to 6 whole 1/4, which implies this we have to change it mixed fraction to improper fraction. 4 4 is 16, 19/4 into x is equal to 6 4 is 24, 25/4. Friends, x is equal to this one will go to that side, you will get division. So 25/4 division 19/4. So what will get? Hence x is equal to, if you division two fractions division is there, then this will change into what is that? Reciprocal. So 25/4 into 4/19. 4 we can cancel and we will get 25/19 is the answer. So if you will multiply 25/19 with this number, the answer will get 6 whole 1/4. Did you understand, friends? So remain whatever I left in this way, C, D, and here B, C, like that number for your homework. You have to complete your homework. Thank you all of you. The remaining bits we will do in the next video. Thank you all of you.